What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Thank y'all for tapping into the Constructive House channel, where we promote balance between people, where justice is defined as those that need the most help get the most constructive help. So I wanted to ask, have you ever been pulled over and felt like something wasn't right? Or had law enforcement at your door demanding to come in? The Fourth Amendment is your line of defense against that. But here's the thing. Most people don't know what it really protects. And I'll be real with you, that's by design. See, when you're stopped or approached by law enforcement, your words matter. Staying calm and knowing what to say can protect your rights and protect your future.
Okay, well, what's your information? That's it. That's all.
Damn, I'm finna go get some for my baby, something to eat.
Okay, hey, if you're good, sir, you're good.
The driver of this car, Sylvester Hayes, is suing the Dallas Police Department after officers Walter Guab and Holly Harris stopped him for not signaling at a stop sign.
Come on, step up on me. I'll explain it to you.
I didn't give you permission to do that.
I know. Step out. I'll explain everything.
No, sir. Tell me why.
I'll explain everything.
No, I didn't give you permission. I didn't give you permission to go on a
Right now, you are being detained. Come on and step out. You're gonna get tased. Come on and step out. 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 Come on and step out.
Bro,
Step out.
what are y'all? Man, hold on, bro.
Yeah, come on and step
Y'all
out.
pulling on me for what?
Come on and step out.
Mom, hold on. Y'all, I didn't give y'all permission. I didn't give y'all permission. Bro, hold on. I ain't about to do this. Hold on.
The Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution is your shield against government intrusion. It clearly says the right of the people to be secure in their persons, their houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated. But what does that really mean? Well, for starters, no random stops without cause. Law enforcement can't just pull you over or stop you on the street because they feel like it. They need reasonable suspicion, something specific that suggests you might be involved in a crime. And without that, the stop could be unconstitutional. Number two, no searching your home without a valid warrant. Your home is your castle. Law enforcement needs a search warrant signed by a judge, and that warrant must clearly say what they're looking for and where they're looking for it. No vague fishing expeditions are allowed. And number three, no taking your property without legal justification. Seizing your belongings, whether it be your phone, car, or cash, requires legal grounds. That means either a warrant or your consent or circumstances that meet strict legal exceptions. Otherwise, it's a violation of your Fourth Amendment rights. See, even when law enforcement has a warrant or probable cause, there are still limits. The Fourth Amendment sets these boundaries, and crossing them can mean evidence getting thrown out in court or cases getting dismissed.
Former LMPD officer violated the constitutional rights of a Louisville teenager during a 2018 traffic stop, recorded by body camera right here. In his ruling, Judge Greg Stivers says Kevin Crawford violated Tayon Lee's Fourth Amendment right against unreasonable seizure. Body camera video showing Crawford stopping Lee here at this moment for making a wide turn and then forcing the 18-year-old out of the car. Lee was frisked and handcuffed while his car was searched by a canine and officers. Nothing was found, and a ticket he received was later dismissed. Lee filed a lawsuit against LMPD in 2019, claiming he was racially profiled. As part of the ruling today, Judge Stivers dismissed the suit against other officers. Crawford no longer works at LMPD and was hired by the Jeffersonville Police Department in 2019. We reached out to his attorney for a comment, but we have not heard back as of news time.
So, What counts as a violation of your Fourth Amendment rights? Let's go ahead and break this down now. Violations happen when you're stopped without probable cause. For example, if an officer pulls you over or stops you on the street without clear reason, like speeding, a broken taillight, or specific suspicious behavior, that stop may be illegal. See, gut feelings count for nothing. The law demands specific, articulable facts. Let me say that one more time. The law demands specific, articulable facts. Number two, when police try to search your car without consent or probable cause. See, your vehicle isn't a free-for-all. Despite what you may have heard, your vehicle is not a free-for-all. Unless you give permission, the officer sees something illegal in plain view, or they have probable cause, they can't just start digging through your stuff. That's a violation. Number three, they enter your home without a warrant or no emergency. See, your home has the highest level of protection. No warrant, no emergency equals no entry. The only exceptions are urgent situations, like someone screaming for help inside. But those are still rare and must be justified. Now, number four, they take your phone or property and search it without a warrant. Let me be clear. Your phone holds your private life, text messages, photos, even location data. And the U.S. Supreme Court ruled in Riley versus California in 2014 that searching a phone without a warrant is unconstitutional. In fact, courts have repeatedly ruled that officer suspicion alone is not enough. The Ninth Circuit said a hunch is not a substitute for probable cause. And when officers violate your rights, and any evidence that they find may be thrown out, it's called the exclusionary rule. All right, so now that we know what counts as a violation of your Fourth Amendment rights, let's go ahead and dig into what you should be saying and what you should be doing. Okay, so when stopped or approached by law enforcement, here's what you say clearly, concisely, and calmly. Number one, am I being detained or am I free to go? See, this question helps you understand your legal status. Because if you're not being detained, you have the right to walk away. Number two, I do not consent to any searches. See, you are allowed to say no. This simple phrase can prevent unlawful searches, and it puts your refusal on record. All right, number three, I would like to remain silent and speak to an attorney. This invokes your Fifth and Sixth Amendment rights. Because once you say this, officers are supposed to stop questioning you. All right, so now that we've gone over what you should be saying and doing, and only saying and doing those in a clear, concise, and calm manner, I want to go ahead and discuss what you should not do. Because keep in mind, your goal is to survive the encounter. Your goal is not to win the encounter. Justice is held in the courthouse, not on the streets. So I need you to remember these three rules and follow them every single time. It's the 3 F's when dealing with law enforcement. Number one, don't fuss. Always stay calm. No arguing. Silence over emotion will get you through this interaction. Don't get loud. Don't get smart. Don't mouth off. It's unnecessary, and it only provokes and escalates the situation. Don't fight. See, even if you're right, fighting will escalate to violence. Fighting may make you a hashtag. You're not going to be a hero. You'll be on a RIP t-shirt. Number 3, don't flee. You see, running equals suspicion in the eyes of law enforcement. Running gives them legal grounds, legal cover. You need to be moving with clarity, not with fear. See, that's scared when you take off running. You're fearful. Remember the 3 F's: don't fuss, don't fight, and don't flee. The only thing you should be saying is, am I being detained or am I free to go? I do not consent to any searches. I would like to speak with a lawyer. See, refusing a search or staying silent is not being difficult. It's being smart. These phrases protect your rights, even if you're innocent. And if things go wrong, your calm behavior could be the difference between a dismissed case and a conviction. We have created a Fourth Amendment awareness toolkit just for you. The great news is it's free to download. So let me tell you what's inside. See, you'll get a printable card with your basic rights, a checklist for what to do during stops, state-specific laws, and hotlines you can contact. All you got to do is click the link in the description to grab it for free, and keep a copy in your glove box, your wallet, or just save it in your phone. Because knowing your rights is not about being anti-police or anti-law enforcement. It's about protecting yourself in a system that does not promote balance between people. Always, always remember, justice is guaranteeing that those that need the most help get the most constructive help. That's justice. So until next time, stay aware, stay calm, stay protected, and stay constructive. This is the Constructive House, where knowledge builds empowerment.